Supercharge your client's business communication by tapping into the power of Twilio. To get started, log into your Twilio account on your dashboard. You'll find a wealth of options. But for now, we'll focus on two core areas: programmable messaging for SMS and programmable voice for phone calls. First, let's empower your client with a dedicated communication number. Navigate to the phone numbers section and click By a Number. You can search for numbers by country and capabilities, like SMS or voice, ensuring you get the perfect fit for your client's needs. The magic happens with Twilio's powerful APIs. Think of them as the building blocks that allow your client's application to send and receive messages and calls. You'll integrate these APIs into your client's existing software or create new applications from scratch. For SMS, you can automate appointment reminders, send marketing alerts, or even facilitate two-factor authentication with voice. Imagine enabling click-to-call functionality on a client's website, setting up automated customer service lines, or even building interactive voice response systems. The process typically involves your client's application making a request to Twilio's API, like sending an SMS to a specific number. Twilio then handles the heavy lifting, delivering that message to the recipient. Similarly, when a customer sends a message or calls, Twilio can alert your client's application, allowing for real-time responses. By leveraging Twilio, you're not just adding features. You're enhancing customer engagement, streamlining operations, and ultimately driving growth for your clients. Explore the documentation, experiment with the tools, and start building impactful communication solutions today.